Hey party people, hope you are doing great, right? So today we're gonna start introduce you some kind of businesses, right? What kind of businesses you can do, small businesses online from your home, right? Just at the comfort of your own home, right? So, to, this is Bana here, and we're gonna start today's session, right? And this is what is the first one is you can call it a tutoring business, right? You can go to your nearby centers and see if people need some kind of tuitions, students need this, and if you are specialized in some kind of subjects, right? If you teach some subjects very well and great, you can teach these kind of subjects online also, and you can make a bunch of money right from that. The next business you can sell is cookies, right? Nowadays people from this COVID-19 and etc, people want the homemade things, right? The things which are very safe, right, for them to use. So you can make a homemade cookies business, right? You can just make the cookies at home and you can sell these things on the two platforms, right? First of all, you can sell it to the what I call it offline, right, on vendors, on streets of busy streets etc, and you can make immediate money. If you need immediate amount of money, you can do that, right? But if you really want to make a big impact and want to earn online, then there is also an option, right? And what's the option? You can sell it to the online, right? You can make a websites, and if you don't have money to start, that's all completely okay, right? Fucking Instagram is a great option for that. Make reels of these cookies, make different kinds of shapes according to the trend and trending shapes, and then put the reels on Instagram, right? You fucking get great orders from them also, right? And the next business is you can start a YouTube channel like I am doing it. I am also started, right? You can also do this. You can start an online craft business. Means there is your hometown has some kind of special things which you can gather from them, like some kind of candy, some art and crafts, and any kind of product which you can find cheaper, and you know that that particular product sells out of the town a very great price, right? You can buy handicrafts from India, you can supply to the United States, and there's a very great amount of profit margins hidden in that, right? That's very cheap products, right? That's kind of your hometown also has some kind of specific products which you can sell to the another countries, right? And that's these kind of business ideas which I can tell you. I can tell you, by the way, I can tell you 100 business ideas, but you will not start even one, right? You will just watch another YouTube video and another one and another one, and you will not find any fucking great value from them, right? Because the problem is that you have to start, you have to take action today, right? Because if you don't take action, someone else will do, and he will make the fortune and he will count the money, right? And if you don't do this, you are not going to make any kind of fucking shit happen. First of all, let me clarify that you have to start there. I also watch 100, not thousand of videos how to start a business without money, without investment, without online, offline, any kind of businesses. And at the end, the point is this: you have to start. You have to take action. You have to choose the time that today I really gonna start that shit. Right? It will take completely. It's not gonna you don't gonna get the cash within a week. It takes at least 3 months to 6 months. At least 3 months to 6 months. Fucking efforts you have to put in this shit to make a bunch of money. First of all, put that shit in mind. You're never gonna make a quick cash without any of these kind of shits, right? You have to start. The peoples you can go to the YouTube and see that there's 100 kind of peoples. They are selling their fucking courses. There's zero fucking value in that, and they are selling it to you, and they're saying that you're gonna make a bunch of money, buy this course, and that's all, right? They are making money, but from their course you are not going to make any kind of money. So please don't buy these kind of shits. Instead of that, use that money to grow your business. And if you don't have money, start small, think big, start small. I also have a business ideas that are like the next Ola and the next Uber, but I also can't be able to start this shit because I also think like the problem with this internet age is that we won't gather all kind of information about one particular idea, right? And that's what paralyzes our brain. And that's called analysis of paralysis, right? So please don't put in these kind of shits, right? Don't invest your time in these kind of fucking shits. Instead of that, do these things, right? And the last thing is, many kind of YouTubers today showing you wrong shits, wrong things, right? Means they are showing you shiny object syndrome, means they are showing you luxury cars and villas and everything, right? Which they actually don't own. They don't have these kind of things, but they are showing you that they are rich and actually they are broke from inside, right? First of all, and they are selling, they are trying to sell their own courses so they can make some kind of living from that, right? So don't buy these kind of fucking courses from these YouTubers. And if someone is legit and he's offering a great value to you, and you really think and you just search on the background everything, right, that person is genuine and he's actually started the shits and his course is really valuable, find some kinds of reviews from other sites and etc, from his own channel and etc, and then fucking use these shits, right? Then buy that if you really want. But by the way, I think that's not a particular thing. There is 100, not 1,000 of books available which is written by great professionals which can teach you with a minimum amount of investment that how you can start the business, right? So you don't have to buy these kind of courses and extras. I think personally that, right? That's your opinion is different and that's all, right? So today, that's okay. If you find anything, you can tell me, right? The next video I am thinking is I'm gonna make one. That's the business. It takes around 3 to 4 months to make you money, right? But if you want quick cash, right? Within a work, within a week, within a day, or within 2 days, you want cash. The next job, the next business I'm going to tell in the next part 2. I'm going to reveal these kind of ideas, you can call it, and that's particularly that's not the businesses that are for. If you want to make quick money, then you have to provide some kind of services to the people, right? So you can make a quick money. So I'm going to reveal these kind of services or the jobs which you can do to generate instant money within a week amount of time, right? So that's all for today. If you like it, please tell me in the comment section. If you don't, please tell me that I don't fucking like your videos, right? So I make more content, more valuable content, right? Tell me the things for which I have to make the video, and if I make this for video, this topic or another topic, right? Please tell me. And that's, have a nice day. Bye. The banana is leaving now. Thanks.